Today I'm spatchcocking this turkey. It helps it cook fast and it helps it cook even. Let me show you how easy it is to do. I've got a 12-pound turkey, and the first thing we're going to do is flip it over, breast side down. We want to see this backbone. That's what spatchcocking is, removing the backbone. Now I like to take a sharp knife first and go up under that skin so it lays back where I can see that backbone really good. So just take a knife and rip straight up down it. Take some kitchen shears and just cut from the tail end all the way to the neck, right through those bones. So we're through one side. Now all you have to do is come right back down the other side. Right out the end. So we're gonna take that backbone out. There's a little bone right in the center there, that wishbone. We got to cut through that so this bird will lay out. So all you need to do is get your knife, split it like that, and we're ready to flip it over. And I like to take these wingtips off because they cover up that breast a little bit. Just use your knife and cut right through that joint. Now you've got a perfectly spatchcocked bird, and it's ready to be seasoned and put in the smoke.